Hi besties. So I had a lot of comments asking about how I do my brows, so I'm gonna show you guys a little quick tutorial. First thing you need is any kind of like brow soap. I'm using this brand called Brow Code, and it's called Brow Heist. So it's pretty much like brow soap, I guess. Then we need a little spoolie and a brush to apply the product with. And then of course, concealer and a brow pencil. This is how the brow soap looks. I'm gonna just kind of like try to like spoolie up all the brow hairs just like this. Brush them into like the shape that you kind of like want. Now we're just kind of fill in like the brow. And then like once you're done cleaning up the brows, this is how they should look. And I'm gonna be right back with the full face of makeup, I guess, and show you guys the final result.
Final results. So obsessed with my eyebrows.